Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about assertions in our unit testing framework. Okay, why we require assertions basically. See, whenever you want to execute something like finding some value to verifying whether that particular text presented in that particular web page or not, title of the page or some value whether it is presented or not, and you have to verify that moment we can able to use if else, uh, even switch conditions, while condition, these are all the things we can able to use, we do verification. But if it is not equal, we can't able to fail the test case, right? And by using assertions we can able to do it fail conditions. Okay, that particular test case we can able to fail if it is not equal. We have so many assertions presented for this unit test. This Python is by default it is providing some set of assertions. One by one we'll see into now here. Now I created unit test imported and method, this class creation and method function and execution place. Here we can able to use for self a dot assert equals. What will happen? This assert equal take two parameters. One is like that both conditions are equal or not. Now I'm going to say ABC and I'm going to verify ABC. Okay, and here I can able to mention some reason also. Okay, and the reason is two values are equals. Okay, this is my assertion. Okay, if I pass this one, if both the cases are passed, then it will give your test case is pass. In case if both the values are not equal, then it will throw as a fail. And here I'm going to show you simple examples, like I'm not going to do for some or like a web page opening and all. I'm going to show you here directly some printing some information assertions. Now if both the cases run correctly, then it is given run test cases pass. Okay, now if I'm going to use it here D, now you can able to see the reason I'm going to providing a equals, but you can able to see now assertion is not equal. You can able to self dot assert equals abcd, it is verifying this is the condition, the both the cases are not equal, then this is the condition two values are equals. You can able to not equal to, you can able to mention, now you can mention here equal condition, that's why it is shown, and failure one. If the both the cases not equal, then how we can able to means, and there is a condition you can, same thing I'm going to copy. There is another method for not equal condition. Assert not equal. Assert not equal. What will happen if both the cases are not equal? Means it will give a pass. If both the cases are equal, then it will fails. Now you can able to see simply here. Both the cases are equal. That's why it runs and it gives pass. In my case, run one test case only. Oh, sorry, it is the same name, and I can able to mention here assert equal. Here I'm going to use for assert not equal. Now if I run here, two test cases pass. Now if I'm going to use it here, equal condition means here not equal place. If I'm going to here, it will throw error and it will two values are equal. Now you can able to say two values are equal because if the both the cases are equal condition. Okay, if not equal, then it will give us a true, means it will pass and it will go ahead. And another condition is we have true. Def attest, we can able to, I'll copy the same method one more time, and we can able to say boolean value verification, that is assert true. Assert true is nothing but if both the cases are equal, then it will give as a true. Now we can able to give like assert true. It will take expert condition and non-expected, like expected and actual both are equal, then it will take as a equal. If both are not equal, then it will fail, means it will give as a false and it will throw an error. Both the conditions I'll show you. Now we can copy here. Now here is false and here is false, and I'm going to use D. Now you can run and see all four cases are pass. Even it will not throw any error. Assert true. Three potential argument, but were given four. Why four? Only 200. Who failed? Cert. Okay. Reason we provided. Sorry. Okay, because the only two condition it will take. Even you can able to mouse over. So it will take only the concept of the value. ABC assertion error, which is assert fail. Assertion fail, it is taking for two values false, false of ABCD. Why this assertion fail, it is taking like this. 1 minute. Equal condition will try, because previous we tried for this. Okay, now both the cases, yes. Sorry, because the equal condition we are using comma. When it is going for true or false condition verification, we need to use for equal condition, means equal condition, then only it will accept. If you use comma, then it will throw an error, means it is not equal, like that. Right now we saw, right, the similar format it will show you. If both the cases like equal, then it will throw some error. Now the false place, both the places are correct, then it will throw an error with the true is not a false, because it is asking to give false, means both the conditions should not be equal. Then if both the equal, then it will it will give us a true, then it will fail it. If both the cases wrong, like, then it will give as a false, then it will give as a success. Okay, these are four conditions. One is assert equals and assert not equal. Assert equal is the like the both the conditions whether it is equal or not. Assert not equal means whether it is both the cases are wrong direction, like both the expected and actual should be a different value. And when it is coming for true, then it both the conditions are same values, expected and actual. When it is going to the false, both the conditions should be a different, and a condition we are going to use for equal. And also we have another set of assertions, that is like assert in and assert not in. Basically these two conditions we can able to say there are a set of what we can say, a tuple, a list, a set, a dictionary. This moment we can able to use it for this assert in and assert not in. What will happen, this assert in means whenever you are providing some value and you're going to verify in that particular uh, what we can say, the value is presented in the list value of that particular list, then we can able to use assert in. Assert not in means if that particular place it is not presented, then we can able to use it. For example, we can able to see, now I'm going to use for list and I'm going to using for my cross braces. Now I'm going to use for A and I'm going to use for B and I'm going to use for C and here D. These are the values presented in my list. Now I want to verify my list whether that particular value is presented or not. Then you can able to use a def test assert in. Then we can able to use self and here self dot assert in. Assert in, it will take you and it will provide some value, right? Then we can able to use it. Which value verify? The value is A, and where you are going to verify at the list place. Okay, now whether that list value is presented or not. If I am giving this one, you can able to see all are, which is the one type, assert in, assert with the name self assert any list if member not in contains the argument of type is not iterable. Why it is not provided? Okay, this is outside. Do you do that? Okay, one second. We'll pass it inside this. Okay, li provided, and we can see now. Yes, it is pass. I passed into this list into a top position. That's why it is not able to read properly. Then that list I'm going to inside that declaration of that method. It is tooks, and you can able to see that is pass. If I'm going to use which is E, it is not presented. You can able to see it will throw an yeah, can able to assert in. Assert E is not found in a list. Okay, and also we have a method called assert not in method. Here only we can able to self dot assert not in condition. If that particular value it is not presented inside that, then it will give you like true. If the value is presented, then it will fails. Now all the cases are pass, no issues, right? Because the e is not presented previous. Here it is where search in place. If I'm using the e condition, it is failing. If you go and see here, I'm going to use for a, the condition is true, then it will fails. And even you can see a unexpectedly found in the list value, then assert not in is fail. Okay, and our last section is def a test assert is a method is presented. Assert is none or is basically what will happen whenever you declare something like the value, uh, whether that particular value is none or not, means you declare the web driver is having some set of data or not. If data is presented, that particular method will fail. If that particular, like, you declare some variable, imagine you can do confuse, like you declare some variable but you forgot to declare the value, correct? Now that moment what will happen, this particular variable is none, right? That none we are going to verifying whether it is none or not. Means now I'm going to use for driver equal to a none. Okay, now self dot assert is none. Is not also there, but we can able to use for is none. Is none object, and I'm going to pass for driver. Okay, now you can able to see our sixth value also pass, right? If I'm going to declaring something value, some string, now I have my driver value. Now you can able to see it will fail because it is expecting for none, but we declare as a some value. Okay, this is the way we can able to check it our assertions. You can see there is another method like self dot assert dot is. So, is and is not is presented. This also one type of value, whether that particular value is presented or not. You can try into your end this particular is condition. If you are not able to get it, then you can comment in that particular this video. I will do it for another video for that. Okay, this is same like true condition. In the above video we saw, right, and that same place can able to assert true, a is b, like that we are going to declare and we can able to identify. Means in the true places abc equal abc, right? You can able to use for is condition and is not, then you can able to get it your result. In case if you are not able to find it, then you can comment in this video only. I will attach that code what exactly you are need to use for that particular step. Okay, that's it about this video. I hope you understand this one. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.